Good day, everybody. Welcome back. It's still the AX. Let's start off. Previously, we looked at how to create a form, learned about this. So let's proceed. What we have also do is now, let's view what we have first. View the page now. Inspire, refresh. You should have something like this. If you click on insert user, it takes you to the insert part. In this insert part, we're trying to put a full name, put an email, put a password, and save. When you click on save user, the message should show here that user have been inserted successfully. So let's go about that. Alright, so first of all, what we have what am I looking for? Alright, first of all, what we have here is ID is full name, ID is email, ID is password, ID is save user, so that's for the body. Now let's get onto the job, to the what's it called? To the jQuery, which is the JavaScript we're going to be using. You know, AJAX stands for asynchronous JavaScript and XML. With that J, we're going to instead of JavaScript, we're going to use jQuery. So for you to use jQuery, this is how you start it. Document dot ready function. Yeah. Now, what happened? What are we trying to do? Okay, when there's a click of the button, so what button? So let's say dollar save user dot click function. We'll just check out and make sure that and make sure it's working. So let's say alert, it's working. Right? What is wrong with spell? It does not even matter right now. So view it, loads, and click on save user. It's working. So okay, we're good to go. So what we'll do next is we'll gather the parameters. What are the values we need? So we'll gather them. So first of all, we need the email, full name, email, and password. So we'll come here, we'll create new variables. I always like using the same name for the variable. So full name equal to dollar full name dot val. This is how you get values using jQuery. Var email equals to dollar email dot var. Get the value of the email, and finally var password equal to dollar password dot val. Now this part you should know jQuery. We've still not done anything about AJAX, but now we've gotten the values from the full name, got the value from the email box, and got the value from the password text field into new variables called full name, email, and password. Now these values are going to be sent to the insert servlet using AJAX. Now, how does AJAX work? For you to use AJAX, all you just need to do is press dollar dot AJAX. Simple, easy peasy, and that's all. You add 4 parameters. The first one, what type of AJAX are you using? So I'm going to say the type we're using is a post, comma. Then what's the URL? What's the URL? The URL will be JSP, comma, insert servlet. Now we're gonna cross check and make sure that this is actually the URL. So we'll come to a configuration files, web file. Make sure that's actually the name. Yeah, it's set servlet. Insert servlet. So that's the name we use, insert servlet. So if you did that right, it should work. So comma. Then next is the data what values are we sending to insert servlet? Come on first. Then this is going to be first value is full name, which is gotten from the variable full name. Second value is email, which is gotten from the variable email. The final value is password, which is gotten from the variable password. Alright, this is the last thing after the comma. Now, if everything goes in successfully, what happens to your success file should show function data and this is the last, you don't need to put anything. So what happens is going to be placed here. So what I want to happen is this. I want you to show a result here. Alright, this is where you're going to show the result. This PAM, user inserted. So I'm taking this again, user inserted. Come here, dollar user inserted dot HTML data. Alright, now let's go through it again. First of all, you get the values from the form. You start the AJAX. A type of post will specify posts. If you don't specify anything at all, it's going to use a get. So you get by default. So a post, then URL, we're taking it to insert servlet. So JSP / insert servlet. Then the data will take in full name, email, password. Taking this full name, email, and password. Now, if it's successful, it should write the success message inside this PAN. I don't know if this is div, but let's leave it like that for now. Alright? So now let's work on the insert servlet. Before we do, let's go back again to a Java connect and cross check. Insert into table user full name. This seems to work well. So let's go to insert servlet. Alright. So insert servlet. Where are you? Insert servlet. Let's scroll down. I'll just work here. Let me train the body. Insert servlet. Then put insert servlet here. Alright, so let's see. Java connect equals to new Java connect. Alright, what is there again? What does we need? User. Let's get this parameter working first. Alright, so let's get the parameters now. So these are the parameters we get in. Full name, email, password. These parameters. So we'll come again and say string, the same name again. Full name equals to requests that get parameter full name. Our string email request that get parameter email. Our string password request that gets parameter password. Alright, now we create a user class, a user instance. User equals new user, and we're passing these parameters. Now we're passing these three parameters: full name, email, password. We're able to do that because in user we have a constructor that uses the full name, email, and password. So if you don't have that, it's going to give an error. So I come in and say full name, email, password. It's asking me to import the class. I import the class, and that's that. So the final work we'll be doing is connect dot insert user, the user. If all goes as planned, let's print out something to show that yes, it worked. So I'm gonna say record successfully inserted. Voila, that's about all. Let's go through it again. Java Connect equals new Java Connect, trying to create a model of this, an instance of the Java Connect, trying to create an instance of the user, passing these parameters, cutting from the AJAX, and insert it. Records has been inserted. So if you enter this properly, it should display in this part. So let's go check it out. First of all, let's go to web page and browse and find out where I have an empty record. There's nothing inside. So once again, open the page, system around. I'm going to do a full start, insert a user. Instead, the first user, who's my user? Let me check Shan to start down. Jackie. Oh jeez, Jackie Shan. Okay, big bad guy. At mail.com. Then Jackie. Alright, so if I click on this, moment of truth is showing something here. Now let's see. Save user. La. Voila! It did. Now let's make sure that it actually entered. So browse again. Browse. No. I'm browsing and not getting anything. But it's telling me value entered successfully. Save. What's gonna cause this problem now? So let's go debug. I think it's gonna be issues, so we have to debug. So first of all, first we'll check is here. Insert into table user. That's not for table, right? Users. Let's go check it. That's not for table. Users. NB spa users. Now back here. NB spa users. Back to right. Is that my username? I didn't even check to see if that's what's causing it. Let's make sure I have the user code that first. I don't backs. I have a user like that, so this is correct. Now, common MySQL driver. Now, what's causing this not to work? Let's see. Insert into table user. Full name, email, password, values, basic, execute, close. Then what is happening? Oh, I don't see anything. Now, full name, email, password. Let's make sure that we're driving in the right values. Full name, email, password. Full name, email, password. Full name, email, password. User inserted. Insert sublet. Everything seems very correct. I will do it in this one more time. One more time. Let's see what's happening. Now insert user. Text is here. Jackie didn't work on this. Then we file. JB mail.com password. Wow. It's once again showing that it's successful. It's really successful. Browse. Alright. I just can't find an error. Everything seems correct. Wait a minute. We have not added the we've not added the jar file. Oh god, who does that? Who makes such mistakes? It's so childish mistake. So let's add the jar folder. That's the MySQL connector. Without that, it definitely won't work. Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot that. Oh, so sorry. Okay. Save it. Now, let's try it again. Open a new page. Let's start with Jackie Shan again. Insert a user. Jackie Chan. JC at mail.com backward Jackie. Save user. Says record successfully inserted. Now this is what I don't like. I don't like it to just be stuck directly. After some seconds it should go out. We'll come to this version. Let's see what happens first. Browse. And Jackie Chan, it's there. So what we'll work on first before we end this video is that we'll ensure that this value goes after a few seconds. Right? It should not just be there. After a few seconds, it should just go out. So how do we do that? How do we achieve that? We gave it a name called user inserted. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to get a color. Shift Control I. Shift Control I is supposed to bring out the colors from into elements. Now let me get the colors on Google. Let's see, I want a reddish color. So Shift Control I have got here. So taking this color, I'm going back here. Now back to the style. I need to use how to get it. Now insert user gets as the name. Now color should be pop. Font weight should be 600. Alright, font size should be 18. So everybody should see that it's bold. You understand? Big, bold, and beautiful. That's what I want. BBB. Alright, so we're done with that, then we'll make sure that it disappears after some seconds. So we'll come back here. Under this, we're going to say dollar open. What do you call it again? User inserted. I mean, I actually got the wrong thing in my CSS too. User insert, user inserted. Now come back here, dollar user inserted, right? Dot delay, like 5 seconds, right? And after the delay, you should slide up very fast, 300. Boop. That's how we want. That's how we want it. This is how it rolls. So let's go check it out again. So this time around, placing another person instead of user. Let's put my second favorite actor, Jack Bar. JB at mail.com. Password is Bar. Let's see. Moment of truth. Tada! Save user. Save user. What's happening? My God, I've destroyed something. Okay. Now this should be before this. Save user. Alright, so let's see. Here's what's causing the problems. I'm gonna refresh the page, try one more time, and call this video close. Jack Bao, JP at mail.com. Password is Bao. And save. Okay. That seems to be working all of a sudden. Here's what I did. I don't know, so I'm gonna move this first. I made it out. Let's see. What have I done? What has this? I save it again. Insert a user. This is the last time we try. If you don't work, I'm going to take you back. Power JP at mail.com. Power. Record successfully inserted. Now look at the problem. That's what I was casting it. So if it's successful, I want this. I think I want this here. Let's see, here. I think it should work there. Well, let's see. Because I think it's causing a clash. First of all, let's make sure that it was inserted. Okay, beautiful. Now let's try it one more time. Let's insert another person. Who am I going to insert now? Insert a user. Oh, one of my favorite actors, Cynthia root rock, an old black bed holder. And I'm gonna say cr@mail.com. Same here. Let's see. It works. Save the user. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make it out. Beautiful. It's working. Perfecto. 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 Let's see. Browse. Beautiful. So we're pretty done with the insert part. So in the next video, we're gonna do this select as view them. Alright. If you like my video, please like it. Click on the like button. Recommend to your friends. And please subscribe. Bye for now. See you in the next video.